Disco.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Uh,
wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, my name is Regina Rianti and my friend is Ardi Fajarudin, Anna Marwanti Sofiana, Serli Mega Viviana, Farihatun Nisaini, and Yusnia Lestari. We are from Group 11. In this presentation, we will talk about nursing diagnosis and GERAN. So, about the theory, we will start from, please, friends.
Thank you, Mrs. Regina. The mind 5, perception or cognition. Unilateral neglect, meaning is pengabaian unilateral. Impaired environmental interpretation syndrome, it means gangguan sindrom interpretasi lingkungan. Acute confusion, it means kebingungan yang akut. Chronic confusion, kebingungan yang kronis. Risk for acute confusion, resiko kebingungan yang akut. Infective impulse control, it means ketidakefektifan kontrol detak jantung. Deficient knowledge, it means kekurangan pengetahuan. Readiness for enhanced knowledge, kesiapan untuk meningkatkan pengetahuan. Impaired memory, it means gangguan memori. Readiness for enhanced communication, kesiapan untuk meningkatkan komunikasi. Impaired verbal communication, gangguan komunikasi verbal. Next. The mind seeks self-perception or persepsi diri. 1. Hopelessness, it means keputusasaan. 2. Race for compromised human dignity, resiko waham. Risk for loneliness, risiko kesendirian. Disturb personal identity, gangguan identitas diri. Risk for disturb personal identity, resiko gangguan identitas diri. Next, readiness for enhanced self-control, kesiapan untuk meningkatkan kontrol diri. Chronic low self-esteem, rendah diri yang kronis. Risk for chronic low self-esteem, resiko rendah diri yang kronis. Risk for situational low self-esteem, it means resiko rendah diri situasional. Next, situational low self-esteem, rendah diri situasional. Disturb body image, gangguan citra tubuh. Stress overload, it means stress berlebihan. Risk for disorganized infant behavior, it means resiko perilaku kacau pada bayi. Autonomic dysrefleksia, it means dysrefleksia otomatis. Risk for autonomic dysrefleksia, it means resiko dysrefleksia otomatis. Disorganized infant behavior, it means perilaku kacau pada bayi. Readiness for enhanced organized infant behavior, it means kesiapan untuk meningkatkan perilaku teratur pada bayi. Decreased intracranial adaptive capacity, it means meningkatkan kapasitas adaptif intrakranial. Next. The mind 7, role relationships or hubungan peran. Ineffective breastfeeding, it means ketidakefektifan menyusui. Breastfeeding, gangguan menyusui. Readiness for enhanced breastfeeding, kesiapan untuk meningkatkan kualitas menyusui. Caregiver role strain, it means ketegangan peran sebagai pengasuh. Risk for caregiver role strain, it means resiko ketegangan peran sebagai pengasuh. Impaired parenting, gangguan pola asuh orang tua. Readiness for enhanced parenting, kesiapan untuk meningkatkan pola asuh orang tua. Risk for impaired parenting, it means resiko gangguan pola asuh orang tua. Risk for impaired attachment, it means resiko gangguan kasih sayang. Dysfunctional family process, it means disfungsi proses keluarga. Interrupt family process, it means gangguan proses keluarga. Readiness for enhance family process, it means kesiapan untuk meningkatkan proses keluarga. Ineffective relationship, it means ketidakefektifan hubungan. Readiness for enhance relationship, it means kesiapan untuk meningkatkan hubungan. Risk for ineffective relationship, it means resiko ketidakefektifan hubungan. Parental role conflict, it means konflik peran orang tua. Ineffective role performance, ketidakefektifan pelaksanaan peran. Impaired social interaction, it means gangguan interaksi sosial. Next. Next, Miss Anna.
Thank you. Domain sexuality, number one, sexual dysfunction. Disfungsi seksual. Number two, ineffective sexuality pattern, ketidakefektifan pola seksualitas. Ineffective childbearing, proses ketidakefektifan proses melahirkan. Readiness for enhanced childbearing, proses kesiapan untuk meningkatkan proses melahirkan. Risk for ineffective childbearing, proses risiko ketidakefektifan proses melahirkan. Risk for disturbed maternal fetal death, risiko gangguan kematian janin. Next. Domain non-coping or stress tolerance. Number one, post-trauma syndrome. Sindrom pasca trauma. Risk for post-trauma syndrome. Resiko sindrom pasca trauma. Rep trauma syndrome. Sindrom trauma pemerkosaan. Relocation stress syndrome. Relokasi sindrom stres. Risk for relocation stress syndrome. Resiko relokasi sindrom stres. Ineffective activity planning, ketidakefektifan rencana kegiatan. Risk for ineffective activity planning, resiko ketidakefektifan rencana kegiatan. Anxiety, kecemasan. Compromise family coping, kompromi perilaku keluarga. Defensive coping, perilaku bertahan. Disable family coping, ketidakmampuan perilaku keluarga. Infective coping, ketidakefektifan perilaku. Next, Pak. Infective community coping, ketidakefektifan perilaku masyarakat. Readiness for enhanced coping, kesiapan untuk meningkatkan perilaku. Readiness for enhanced family coping, kesiapan untuk meningkatkan perilaku keluarga. Death anxiety, kecemasan akan kematian. Infective denial, ketidakefektifan penyangkalan. Adult failure to thrive, kegagalan untuk tumbuh dewasa. Fear, ketakutan. Grieving, berduka. Complicated grieving, suasana berduka yang mendalam. Risk for complicated grieving, resiko suasana berduka yang mendalam. Readiness for enhanced power, kesiapan untuk meningkatkan kekuatan. Powerlessness, ketidakberdayaan. Next, Kak. Risk for powerless, resiko ketidakberdayaan, impair individual resilience, gangguan ketahanan individu, readiness for enhanced resilience, kesiapan untuk meningkatkan ketahanan individu, risk for compromise resilience, resiko kompromi ketahanan diri, chronic sorrow, kesedihan yang berlebih, stress overload, stres yang berlebihan, risk for disorganized infant behavior, resiko perilaku bayi yang kacau, autonomic disrefleksia otomatis, risk for autonomy, disrefleksi, resiko disrefleksia otomatis, disorganized infant behavior, perilaku kacau pada bayi, fitness for enhanced organized infant behavior, kesiapan untuk meningkatkan perilaku bayi, decrease intracranial adaptive capacity, mengurangi kapasitas adaptif, disrefleksia otomatis. Next slide. Domain 10 life prinsip hidup. Number one, readiness for enhanced hope. Kesiapan untuk meningkatkan harapan. Readiness for enhanced spiritual well-being. Kesiapan untuk meningkatkan kesejahteraan spiritual. Readiness for enhanced decision making. Kesiapan untuk meningkatkan kemampuan membuat keputusan. Decisional konflik pembuatan keputusan. Moral distress, gangguan moral. Non-compliance, ketidakpatuhan. Impaired religiosity, gangguan religiositas agama. Readiness for enhanced religiosity, kesiapan untuk meningkatkan religiositas agama. Risk for impaired religious, resiko gangguan religiositas agama. Spiritual distress, gangguan spiritual. Risk for spiritual distress, resiko gangguan spiritual. Next up. Domain 11 safety or protection, atau keamanan atau proteksi. Number one, risk for infection, resiko infeksi. Infective airway clearance, ketidakaktifan kebersihan jalur udara. Risk for aspiration, resiko pernafasan. Risk for bleeding, resiko perdarahan. Impaired detention, gangguan gigi. Risk for dry eye, resiko mata kering. Risk for falls, resiko jatuh. Resiko for injury, resiko luka. Impair oral mucous membran, gangguan selaput lendir oral. Next. Risk for perioperative positional injury, resiko cedera posisi perioperatif. Risk for peripheral neurovascular dysfunction, resiko disfungsi neurovaskular peripheral. Risk for shock, resiko goncangan. Impair skin integrity, gangguan integritas kulit. Risk for impaired skin integrity, resiko gangguan integritas kulit. Risk for sudden infant death syndrome, resiko sindrom kematian bayi secara tiba-tiba. Next, Kak Yunia.
Okay, please. Next, friends.
Oke.
reading text, read the article below and answer the question. What only in the heart cardiac muscle is responsible for pumping the blood throughout the body. Cardiac muscle tissue cannot be controlled consciously, so it is an involuntary muscle. Well, hormones and signal from the brain adjust the rate of contraction. Cardiac muscle stimulate itself to the brain adjusts the rate of contraction. Cardiac muscle stimulate itself to contract the natural parenchyma of the heart is made of cardiac muscle. Tissue that stimulate other cardiac muscle gets to contact because of this slave stimulation. Cardiac muscle is considered to be orthothymic or extremically controlled. The class of cardiac muscle tissue are straight that is dry upper to have leg and drag strips. When viewed under a light microscope, the agreement of protein fibers inside of the class cause the leg and drag. Ben's station indicate that a muscle cell is very strong, unlike physical muscle. The class of cardiac muscle and brain's X or Y pedicles thickly connect together by special junction clad intercalate discs. Intercalate discs are made up for finger-leg projection from two neighboring cells that interlock and provide a strong bond between the class. The breath-heart structure and intercalate discs allow the muscle class to raise high blood pressure and the strength of pumping blood throughout and lead time. These factors also help to spread electromechanical signal quickly from cell to cell so that the heart can beat as a unit. Next. Untuk translate. Hanya ditemukan di jantung, otot jantung bertanggung jawab memompa darah ke seluruh tubuh. Jaringan otot jantung tidak dapat dikontrol secara sadar, sehingga merupakan otot tak sadar. Sementara hormon dan sinyal dari otak menyesuaikan laju kontraksi. Otot jantung merangsang dirinya sendiri untuk berkontraksi. Alat pacu jantung alami PF, jantung terbuat dari jaringan otot jantung yang merangsang sel otot jantung lainnya untuk berkontraksi. Karena stimulasi diri, otot jantung dianggap otoritmik atau dikontrol secara intrinsik. Sel-sel jaringan otot jantung berbentuk lurik, yaitu mereka tampak memiliki garis-garis terang dan gelap bila dilihat di bawah mikroskop. Cahaya susunan sel serat protein di dalam sel menyebabkan pita terang dan gelap ini. Lurik menunjukkan bahwa sel otot sangat kuat, tidak seperti otot fisikal. Sel-sel otot jantung adalah sel-sel berbentuk X dan Y bercabang yang dihubungkan erat oleh sambungan khusus yang disebut cakram interkalasi. Deks interkalasi terdiri dari proyeksi seperti jari dari dua sel tetangga yang saling mengunci dan memberikan ikatan yang kuat antar sel. Struktur Breath-Heart dan disc intercalate memungkinkan sel-sel otot untuk menahan tekanan darah tinggi dan ketegangan memompa darah sepanjang hidup. Fitur ini juga membantu menyebarkan sinyal elektrokimia dengan cepat dari sel ke sel sehingga jantung dapat berdetak sebagai satu kesatuan.
Question number 1. What triggers like in the cell of cardiac muscle? Question number 2. How is cardiac muscle considered to be autorhythmic? Question number 3. What is the function of brain structure and interconnected discs for the heart? Question number 4. According to the text, what is interconnected discs? Question number 5. What causes the light and dark bands in the cell of cardiac? Gerund, verb ing. Gerund adalah kata yang dibentuk dari verb dengan ditambahkan akhiran ing, dan gerund adalah kata kerja yang dibedakan, verbal, noun. Karena gerund berfungsi sebagai noun, maka harus ada verb di dalam suatu kalimat. Sebagai noun, gerund dapat menempati posisi sebagai subjek, direct object, subject complement, object of preposition, atau oppositive di dalam suatu kalimat. Form. A gerund is the best form of a verb plus ing. Gerunds can be used as nouns. Verb plus ing together with noun. Work plus ing, working. Pay plus ing, paying. Improve plus ing, improving. Gerunds. A gerund is a noun made from a verb by adding ing. Usage, subject, example, running is good for your health. Usage, direct object, example, he hates waking up early. Usage, subject complement, example, what I dislike most is repairing myself. Usage, object complement, example, I saw Tom riding his bike. Usage, object of a preposition, example, I am interested in improving myself. Usage, object of a possessive, example, she does not like your bossing her around. 1. As the subject of a verb, running is a good way to explore. Running, gerund, is verb. 2. As the object of a verb, he likes running, likes verb, running, gerund. 3. As the object of a preposition, I am thinking of running. Of preposition, running, gerund. 4. As a subject complement, my new hobby is running. Running, gerund. Gerunds as subjects. A gerund can be the subject of a sentence. It is always singular. Use a third person singular verb after a gerund. Singular subject. Voting is an important responsibility. Choosing a candidate takes time. Gerunds as object. A gerund can be the object of certain verbs. Suggest. I suggest improving our schools. Suggest, verb, improving, object. Enjoy. I enjoy working for the people. Enjoy, verb, working, object. Gerunds as subject complement. They act as complement that describe or explain the subject of the sentence. Subject, my hobby. Verb is subject complement. Example, my favorite activity is skiing. Yang two, I do my gardening in the morning. Next, Mr. Ardi.
Okay, gerund and infinitives. Some verbs love, hate, star, prefer can take gerund or infinitive with similar meaning. Gerund in infinitives. For example, learning is important is normal subject. To learn in important, abstract subject is common. The most important thing is learning, normal complement. The most important thing is to learn, abstract complement. Next slide. Passive form of gerund and infinitives. A verb in gerund, remember verb plus ing. For example, looking, eating, playing, coming, and lying. A verb in infinitive to plus verb. For example, to look, to eat, to play, to come, to lie. Next, exercise. Point one, she is interested in make a friend. She enjoys have a bed in the evening. I don't like play cards. You should give up smoke. He is good at dance. I promise help you tomorrow. I'm learning speak English. Do you mind give me a hand? Do you mind give me a hand? He kept talk during the film. The delayed get out of bed. Point. He suggests go to the museum. I finished cook come and eat. She asked come with us. He avoided tell him about her plans. I don't recommend take the bus. It takes forever. We hope visit Amsterdam next month. Some dream of be a pop star. They are afraid of swim in the sea. We insist on cook the dinner ourselves. And I dislike white. Thanks for attention, guys. Do you have any question? Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, group, for the presentation. So that's for today's presentation. Please forgive if there are mistakes. If there is something you love, don't forget to express. Thank you all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.